Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here again with a very easy problem of HackerRank. And basically, the problem description is always made to try, always made in such a way that our interviewer can easily confuse our interview. And maybe at the time of interview, the interview is already in the pressure. So basically, whenever this problem comes to you and an interviewer asks you during this, with this problem, try to calm down and understand that the problem description is deliberately made to be confusing. So today we will be solving problem known as cats and mouse. So here the problem statement says that two cats and a mouse are at various positions on a line. You will be given their starting positions and your task is to determine which cat will reach the mouse first. Assuming the mouse does not move and the cats travel at equal speed. If the cats arrive at the same time, the mouse will be allowed to move and it will escape while they fight. On the other hand, you can say that if you are given two queries in form of x, y, z representing the positions of cats A and B and for mouse C, complete the function to return the appropriate answer to each query. So, for example, you just visualize that okay, these positions are on an x-axis or on a number line. So, cat A is at one position, cat B is at this position, and mouse is at this position. So, if we take the absolute difference between z and x and z and y, we will see that okay, the number of units, what is the distance? Obviously, the number of distance which will be for which cat it will be less, that will reach faster, and if the distance is same, the mouse will be escaped. So it's just the problem statement is just to calculate the absolute difference, and we'll be using mass absolute function to calculate the difference without negative signs if both the values are on the x-axis, and it will be easy for us to compare. So here what I'm saying is that okay, the method is given. So here I take the absolute value of x minus z. If less than y minus z, then return cat A, otherwise cat B and C. So see, very simple solution. What we are trying to do is that okay, just plot those x, y, z on the number on an x-axis and take out the difference between x and z and y and z. So whichever distance is shorter, then return cat A, otherwise cat B, and if the distance is equal, we are returning cat mouse C. Let's run the code. Yes, so our sample test case is passed. Let's submit the code for all the test cases. So of all our test cases 0 and 1 have passed successfully. So it was a very easy problem. Basically the interviewer was trying to see whether you are able to comprehend the problem, you are able to visualize the problem and put it on a number axis, what details you can go with, that what is your approach, okay, and then it's simple if else logic with mass absolute difference function, okay. Thank you guys. Do subscribe and like my channel. And if you, it would be great if you want to engage with me on the comments. Just comment whatever question you want me to solve. I'll solve it for you. Thank you guys.